Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use the board view on ClickUp, your complete guide for 2025. The very first step is to select the board view option from the top of your ClickUp screen. This step is crucial as it allows us to transition from whatever view you are currently using, like list or box view, to the board view. Now that we've done that, you'll notice a more visual representation of your tasks, ideal for tracking project progress. Now let's move on to customizing your board view. To do this, click on the Add Group button, typically found on the right side of your screen. Here, you can add new columns or status groups to your board. This helps us because it allows us to organize and categorize our tasks based on our specific needs. Next up, we have Managing Tasks within the board view. Simply click on a task to make changes. You can drag and drop these tasks between columns to update their status. The reason we do this is to adjust task progress in real time, making project management more fluid and interactive. Lastly, and this is optional, you can filter, sort, or group tasks to refine your board view further. You can do this by clicking on the three-dot icon on the top right corner. Let me explain why this matters. It gives you control over what tasks are shown and how they're displayed, providing a personalized project overview. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to navigate and optimize the board view on ClickUp, enhancing your project management efficiency. Thanks for joining us, and see you in the next tutorial.